Ain't no one colder than me. I'm straight from the mud. I got me a plug, and now I be rolling with Meech. You think you the shit, I think you a bitch. Now go ahead and call the police. These niggas a trip, your homie's a snitch. You probably be home in a week. I hit up Tori and told him, I know you don't like me, but fuck it, I'm over the beef.
What's up, you beautiful people? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Josh here. You are now watching I Say Josh, and how are you doing? Hopefully my whole big old head fits in the camera. Alright, so I showed you guys last time that we got some car parts, alright? Right there, see the front splitter, you see the grill? Well, that is the wrong one. Over here, we have the right one. Ugh. Sorry, my garage is a mess. Boom. We got the ZL1 1LE, alright? Straight from Wild Hammer. Shout out to Wild Hammer. They did send me the stock ZL1, which was wrong. I told them that we needed the 1LE, and they sent that to me. So, let's go ahead and get these parts on. We're going to put this on the car. And then we are going to go ahead, sorry, black on black don't work. Then we're going to go ahead and put, back up, Mose, go somewhere. Put this on the car. So those are the two things we're going to add. We're going to add the front lip, and we're going to add the grill to give it a more aggressive look for up front, okay? So I'm going to attempt it. I heard there's like over 62 screws. We're going to see. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I'll give up. Y'all don't know me. I will give up and go back inside. So, oh, my lip. Oh. Anyways, let's get started. All right, boys and girls, let's get a quick update real quick, okay? Let's see where we at. We got one tire off so far. That is off. The other side is about to come off. I placed it right out there, and then we're going to go from here. Just got to get inside the wheel well, remove a few so I could see inside, do the other side as well. So let's get that done.
A few moments later.
I'm not gonna lie, we lost the sun. It's been 2 hours trying to get this. Look how dirty it is, don't judge me. Got the front end off. Now I'm getting this off. I don't have the tools, so I've been using this knife right here to pull this off. I had to pinch it in between each, but there we go. Old one is off. Oh man, you have no idea how long that took. Alright, we'll be back. Guys, it's a new day, and I'm gonna tell you now that I took off the bumper, and I cannot, again, don't worry about that dust, I'll clean it. I can't get it back on. I can't get the, where did I get the part from? Let me get the box to be exact. So I got the Ikon bumper, and it's supposed to fit on this, but as you can see, there is a little bit of gap. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to Home Depot. I'm going to buy like a sawzall in a sense. I'm gonna cut off, because underneath this there's a white piece that sticks out that far. That's the only thing I think that's getting in the way of fitment. So that's what I'm gonna have to do.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, 2 days later, yeah, and the car's still in the air. Again, I got the ZL1 LE front lip from Ikon. They forgot to give me the side fins for it, and this was a terrible fitment. I'm gonna be honest with you. I wish I would have showed y'all the whole video, but I was so pissed off I did not want to record at all. This is what it came out to though. Not too bad from far away, but nothing fit. It all had to be like body shopped in a sense, and I did it myself, so I had to put drills through the white frame bumper into that bumper. I had to cut my bumper, my stock ZL1 bumper, and then this still didn't fit. So I used 3M tape to fix as much of the stick in this gap, because this piece will just keep sliding down, even if this part is secured. I do not recommend, man. I hate it. I absolutely freaking hate it. I got the grill, the ZL1 1LE grill, which fit perfect, and then the front lip just was a terrible fit. So if you guys care about anything, man, don't do it. Don't do it at all. Tire stickers worked, rims went fine, everything went fine except the ZL1 1LE front lip from Ikon. They even sent me the wrong grill at first, so they sent some more. So these were the wrong ones they sent, and then I complained to finally get the right one. Then I got the lip a week later, and it still didn't fit perfect. I waited a month for everything to come because I live in Hawaii as an active duty soldier, and it was terrible. worst experience ever, man. I'm sorry I didn't record as much, but if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I will fill it out and fill you guys in as much as possible. I don't even want to show my face because I'm pissed off. It is what it is. I'll take the car off the jack, and until next time, it's your boy Josh. You're not watching. I stay Joshin'. Peace.
Ain't no one colder than me. I'm straight from the mud. I got me a plug, and now I be rolling with Meech. You think you the shit, I think you a bitch. Now go ahead and call the police. These niggas a trip, your homie's a snitch. You probably be home in the week. I hit up Tori and told him, I know you don't like me, but fuck it, I'm over the beef. Told him we could be friends, invited him over and gave him some soda and bleach. They said, Johnny, you lost it. I told him they soft. Now go take a stroll on the beach. Nigga, I got the sauce. Bitch, I'm a dog. Just don't get a hold of my leash. Yeah, nigga, back to the bluff. Johnny, get back to the bus. If I do not make a few million and shit, I might just go back to the hustle. I got me some product and I ain't gonna hide it. I might just start trapping.